Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can solve your problem which you're facing on the Instagram. Just like that, you're facing the issue is that when just trying to uploading the stories and they're saying that you just not upload stories right now and your Instagram story is not loading issue. Just like that. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Before going to your Instagram app, you just have to just basic settings to resolve a problem. If your problem not gonna solve, then we just go to the app. Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you sign in your Apple ID, and also make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to the general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So many users don't know how we can disconnect VPN. So simply just go to the general section just like that and just scroll it down and see that there is an option of VPN and device management. Simply just tap on that and just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go to the tap on the reset and I reset iPhone and just tap on reset and just reset the network settings from here. And that's the basic settings of the iPhone before going to resolve a problem and also going to the Instagram app to check that it's working or not. So after that setting, if your problem gonna solve, so that's good. If your problem not gonna solve, simply just go to the Instagram app and just tap on that and just remove the app from here. Before removing the app, you just make sure that you just using the updated version of your Instagram. Simply just go to the App Store and just search Instagram and simply just search it and you see that I have update of the Instagram, so that's why I'm not uploading the stories and they're saying that stop Instagram stories not loading issue. So how we can facing, because we cannot update the Instagram, simply just tap on update and just update the Instagram from here, and after that your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.